Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the repository on GitHub. This is where your project lives and history is tracked. Pick a clear name and visibility so collaborators know access rights. Once created, initialize with README to explain purpose, add, gitignore to avoid tracking build files, and a license for reuse. Make sure you have Git configured locally with your name and email. Then copy the HTTPS or SSH clone URL so you can pull the code down immediately and start committing changes. You should use branches to isolate work and avoid breaking main. Create a feature branch immediately and switch to it. Commit often with focused messages so history is meaningful, and stage only related changes before each commit. Once your work is ready, push the branch to GitHub and open a pull request to compare changes, explain intent, and request review. Make sure to pull latest main into your branch to resolve conflicts early. Then address review comments and update commits as needed. You finish by merging through a reviewed pull request after continuous integration passes. This ensures changes are validated. Choose a merge strategy, squash for linear history or merge commits to preserve context, and delete the branch after merge to reduce clutter. Maintain the repository with protected branches and required checks so accidental pushes don't break main. If conflicts or failing CI occur, pull or rebase locally. Run your test suite to fix errors, then push fixes and rerun checks before merging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.